Hubert Chanson is a professor in hydraulic engineering and applied fluid mechanics in the School of Civil Engineering at the University of Queensland since 1990. He lectures civil and environmental engineering students in a variety of courses including fluid mechanics, hydraulic engineering, civil design, engineering history, coastal processes and environmental modeling. His research interests include the hydraulics of open-channel flow, the design of hydraulic structures, experimental investigations of two-phase flows, coastal and estuarine hydrodynamics, water quality modeling, environmental management and natural resources research. Chanson authored several books, among which Hydraulic Design of Stepped Cascades, Channels, Weirs and Spillways, Air Bubble Entrainment in Free Surface Turbulent Shear Flows, The Hydraulics of Open-Channel Flow, An Introduction, The Hydraulics of Stepped Chutes and Spillways, Environmental Hydraulics of Open-Channel Flows, Tidal Bores, Aegir, Eager, Masquet, Pororoca, Theory and Observations in Applied Hydrodynamics, An Introduction. He co-authored the book Fluid Mechanics for Ecologists, and he edited several other books. The textbook The Hydraulics of Open-Channel Flow, An Introduction has already been translated into Chinese and Spanish, and the second edition appeared in 2004. He has further published over 700 peer-reviewed papers, and his work was cited over 2,500 times to 9,700 times. His H-index is 26, 29 and 46 in Web of Science, Scopus, and Google Scholar respectively. He witnessed the 2010-2011 Queensland floods, and he documented thoroughly some observations in central, southern and southeast Queensland. Hubert Chanson's research arrived as A1194-2008, http://www.researcheri.com/rid/A-1194-2008. His ORCID number is 0000-0002-2016-9650. Awards. The International Association of Hydraulic Engineering and Research presented Chanson with the 13th Arthur Ippen Award for Outstanding Achievements in Hydraulic Engineering. The American Society of Civil Engineers, Environmental and Water Resources Institute presented him with the 2004 award for the Best Practice Paper in the ASC Journal of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. In 1999 he was awarded a Doctor of Engineering from the University of Queensland for his outstanding research achievements in gas-liquid bubbly flows. Outside works. Chanson has been active also as an expert consultant for both governmental agencies and private organizations. He chaired the organization of the 34th IAHR World Congress in Brisbane, Australia, held from the 26th of June to the 1st of July 2011. He chaired the scientific committee of the 5th IAHR International Symposium on Hydraulic Structures, and was actively involved in the organization committees of the 5th, 8th, 10th and 11th National Conference on Hydraulics in Civil Engineering. He contributed to a number of audio-visual documentaries on tidal bore and tsunami, including La Tribu du Masquet, Les Fils de la Lune, and Animaux Sentinelles, Alerta au Tsunami. He lives in Brisbane, Australia, with his wife Yahoo Chu and their children Bernard, Nicole and Andre. Key publications. Books. Chanson. Energy Dissipation in Hydraulic Structures. IAHR Monograph. CRC Press. ISBN 978-138-02755-8. Chanson. Applied Hydrodynamics. An Introduction. CRC Press. ISBN 978-138-00093-3. Chanson. Tidal Bores, Aegir, Eager, Masquet, Pororoca, Theory and Observations. World Scientific. ISBN 978-981-4335-41-6. Chanson. Applied Hydrodynamics. An Introduction to Ideal and Real Fluid Flows. CRC Press. ISBN 978-0-415-49271-3. Chanson. Environmental Hydraulics of Open Channel Flows. Elsevier Butterworth Heinemann. ISBN 978-0-7506-6165-2. Chanson. The Hydraulics of Open Channel Flow. An Introduction. Butterworth Heinemann. ISBN 978-0-7506-5978-9. Chanson. The Hydraulics of Stepped Chutes and Spillways. Borkma. ISBN 90-5809-352-2. Chanson. The Hydraulics of Open Channel Flow. An Introduction. Edward Arnold. ISBN 0-340-74067-1. Chanson. Air bubble entrainment in free-surface turbulent shear flows. Academic Press. ISBN 0-12-168110-6. Chanson. Hydraulic design of stepped cascades, channels, weirs and spillways. Pergamon. ISBN 0-08-041918-6. Journal articles Lang, X, and Chanson. Breaking bore. Physical observations of roller characteristics. Mechanics Research Communications 65, 24-29. DOI 10.1016 j.mecrescom.2015.02.008. Wang, H., Mershin, and Chanson. Total pressure fluctuations and two-phase flow turbulence in hydraulic jumps. Experiments in Fluids 55. Paper 1847, 16 pages. Bibcode 2014 EXFL 55.1847W. DOI 10.1007 per seconds 00348-014-1847-9. Felder, S., and Chanson. Triple decomposition technique in air-water flows. Application to instationary flows on a stepped spillway. International Journal of Multiphase Flow 58. 139-153. DOI 10.1016 J. I Multiphase Flow 2013.09-006. Brown, R., and Chanson. Suspended sediment properties and suspended sediment flux estimates in an urban environment during a major flood event. Water Resources Research 48. Paper W115215, 15 pages. Bibcode 2012WRR 48115223B. DOI 10.1029 2012WR012381. Chanson, H., Riungote, D., Simon, B., and Lubin. High-frequency turbulence and suspended sediment concentration measurements in the Garonne River tidal bore. Estuarine Coastal and Shelf Science 95, 298-306. Bibcode 2011 ECSS 95, 298C. DOI 10.1016 j.ECSS.2011.09.012. Chanson. Current knowledge in hydraulic jumps and related phenomena. A survey of experimental results. European Journal of Mechanics B. Fluids 28. 191-210. Bibcode 2009 EJMF 28, 191C. DOI 10.1016 j.Euromech-flu.2008.06.004. Chanson. Application of the method of characteristics to the dam breakwave problem. Journal of Hydraulic Research IAHR 47, 29-40. DOI 10.3826 JHR 2009.2865. Koch, C., and Chanson. Turbulence measurements in positive surges and bores. Journal of Hydraulic Research IAHR 47, 41-49. DOI 10.3826, JHR 2009.2954, Trevethan, M., and Chanson. Turbulent mixing in a small estuary. Detailed measurements. Estuarine Coastal and Shelf Science 81. 191 to 200. Bibcode 2009 ECSS 81 191T. DOI 10.1016 J.ECSS.2008.10.020. Chanson. Bubbly flow structure in hydraulic jump. European Journal of Mechanics B. Fluids 26. 367 to 384. Bibcode 2007 EJMF 26 367C. DOI 10.1016 J.Euromech.Flu.2006.08.001. Chanson. Air entrainment processes in rectangular drop shafts at large flows. Journal of Hydraulic Research IAHR 45, 42 to 53. DOI 10.1080.00221686 2007.95217442. Chanson, H. Aoki, S. and Hock. Bubble entrainment and dispersion in plunging jet flows. Freshwater versus seawater. Journal of Coastal Research 22, 664 to 677. DOI 10.2112.03.0112.1. Chanson. Air, water and momentum exchanges in unsteady surging waters. An experimental study. Experimental Thermal and Fluid Science 30, 37 to 47. DOI 10.1016 J. Expertherm Flusher 2005.03.017. Chanson, H. Aoki, S. and Hock. Physical modeling and similitude of air bubble entrainment at vertical circular plunging jets. Chemical Engineering Science 59, 747 to 754. DOI 10.1016/J.Say 2003 11.016. Chanson, H. and Toombs. Air-water flows down stepped chutes. Turbulence and flow structure observations. International Journal of Multiphase Flow 28, 1737 to 1761. DOI 10.1016 S0301 932200089-7. Chanson, H. and Bratberg. Experimental study of the air-water shear flow in a hydraulic jump. International Journal of Multiphase Flow 26, 583 to 607. DOI 10.1016 S0301 932200016-6. Cummings, P.D., and Chanson. An experimental study of individual air bubble entrainment at a planar plunging jet. Chemical Engineering Research and Design, Transactions at Chem, Part A 77, 159 to 164. Montes, J.S., and Chanson. Characteristics of undular hydraulic jumps. Results and calculations. Journal of Hydraulic Engineering ASC 124, 192 to 205. DOI 10.1061 0733-9,429,124 to 2. Cummings, P.D., and Chanson. Air entrainment in the developing flow region of plunging jets. Part 2. Experimental. Journal of Fluids Engineering ASME 119, 603 to 608. Chanson, H. and Montes, J.S. Characteristics of undular hydraulic jumps. Experimental apparatus and flow patterns. Journal of Hydraulic Engineering ASC 121, 129 to 144. DOI 10.1061 0733-9,429,121 to 2. Chanson. Hydraulics of skimming flows over stepped channels and spillways. Journal of Hydraulic Research IAHR 32, 445-460. DOI 10.1080/002216894094987445. Chanson. Study of air demand on spillway aerator. Journal of Fluids Engineering, Transactions ASME 112, 343-350. DOI 10.1115/1.29099410. Chanson. Study of air entrainment and aeration devices. Journal of Hydraulic Research IAHR 27, 301-319. DOI 10.1080/002216888909499166.